Bob Proctor's paradigm shift, the most important question you must ask yourself to be a money magnet.
Manifestation Mojo, to live the life of your dreams.
To attract money using Bob Proctor's paradigm shift, there is a very important question that must be asked. And most people don't understand what the paradigm shift even is, or even how to use it. And in this video, you'll be able to learn your own question on how you can become a money magnet yourself.
I'm still kind of confused as to what Bob Proctor's paradigm shift is. I can't even pronounce it.
Well, everyone says that they want more money, and I've watched a lot of Bob Proctor's videos over the years, and even some as recent as yesterday, really.
I even watched one a few minutes ago.
That's right. That's what this video is about, because we've been studying that. And I want to become more of a money magnet, just as most people do, probably you guys out there. And I've turned to Bob Proctor's teaching to learn how to shift my paradigm, because he says if you shift your paradigm, everything else changes and you can become a money magnet. And
so can I say something really quick? It's the paradigm shift is going from the conscious mind to the subconscious. That's what the shift is.
Well, that sounds fantastic. But the problem for me was this whole paradigm shift sounds good watching him, but I really didn't understand it. It sounded simple, but I didn't know what to do. And that was one of the fundamental things, is I just didn't understand what it was. And then if I don't understand what it was or what it is, how can I do it?
Yeah, you can't be confused and to take action, that's for sure. So what is this video all about? I mean, what is it for you and me, and what's in it for everybody else?
Well, in this video, we're going to discuss what I believe is the first question that should be asked, that I actually we discovered it together, Stan, but it was the one question that got me past that, let's say, that belief, the limiting belief that Bob talks about in the paradigm shift. So this video, we're going to find out what that question actually is. I'm going to share it with you. And then you will, let's say you have the same question, you borrow mine, or you modify it a little bit, but then you'll have your own question. You can ask yourself, and you will start the journey so you can go through this paradigm shift.
Yeah, paradigm shift. So we got to get to the question. What is it? What is this most important question that people need to ask themselves? I mean, what do I need to do to become a money magnet?
Well, the first thing was a little bit of backstory here is I never even understood what the paradigm shift really was.
Me either.
We've talked about it for years, and I think Bob, he keeps on showing us that Think and Grow Rich book, and I've read that a lot.
Yeah, me too.
So for me, and how I got to this question, let's just say, or how I have started to get past that paradigm shift, was really, let's just say, it was the money magnet. In businesses that I've been in the past, for some reason, I've always had that money thing. I got to make more money. I got to make more money. And it was elusive to me. I was in network marketing, and I would travel to Hawaii, let's just say, and all other places. And I'd be at these events, and I felt like I was indestructible. And then I would get home, and then I would go back to work, and it seemed like that whole thing fizzled away. And that was that ceiling. And Bob Proctor's paradigm shift made me believe that I can get past that ceiling, but I still just didn't know what to do. What would get me to change my paradigm? What was a paradigm?
How do you make that paradigm shift? How do you change that shift from let's say, a conscious ceiling to a subconscious belief that anything's possible, that there is abundance, that you can be a money magnet. Hey, we still ask ourselves that question: how does it really take to make that shift? What does it take?
In the past, I've always been told, like when it comes to money affirmations, and there's all kinds of videos on money affirmations everywhere. I was told to have these affirmations, write them out, and say them over and over. I am a money magnet. I deserve to make more money. Money flows to me easy. There's a money tree in my backyard. Close my eyes. Guided money meditation. All that stuff, which I tried, but I didn't quite get there until, again, this one question. And the question was not. The question was. It went from a statement to a question. It was, all right, I'm a money magnet, which is the statement, to what can I do, or what should I think about in order to become a money magnet? And I'm always, what do I do? Because I'm that type of person. I need to be doing something. I don't feel right unless I'm doing something.
Well, we are physical people. We can think about things, but really, until we actually take action to do something about it, I admit I am the same way, in that I used to say, well, what you think about, you bring about it. So I switched it around that and made it a question. Well, what do I want to bring about? What kind of money do I want to make? What kind of life do I want to live? To live the life of your dreams, well, what do I do to live the life of my dreams? Or what do I think about? How do I change my mind, my mindset? How do I become aware of what I'm thinking about to
Sure.
what I
Well,
want to think about to bring about what I want? So what? Anyway, I think you got it.
so Bob Proctor in his paradigm shift, he's got that diagram. And in that diagram, he has the conscious, the subconscious, and he says that the subconscious has to believe or do whatever the conscious mind tells it. And in the conscious mind, okay, we're a money magnet, but the subconscious doesn't believe it. So what I've discovered by asking myself that one question is, what can I do to become a money magnet? It inspired some thinking and some self-discovery in my brain. All right, is watching TV. When I watch TV, I can ask myself this question all the time. When I ask myself, like when I'm watching television, let's just say, all right, is what I'm doing, is this going to make me a money magnet? What should I be doing to make myself a money magnet? And it comes down to, my online business, because that's really what I want to do, is become a money magnet, the epic lifestyle, laptop lifestyle, all that's a whole other conversations. But taking that question, what do I do? What do I have to do? Or what should I be doing now or later?
What should you be thinking about?
Yeah, what should I be thinking about to become a money magnet?
I like it. What do we do? What do we think? What do we feel?
And it's not
To
doing
become.
dishes. Like I have to do laundry, I need to do dishes, take care of the dog, the kid, the wife, all that stuff. That is not the answer. What should I be thinking about? But when you're in, let's just say, limbo, doing dishes, or driving a car, I can think of other things while I drive, because that's a subconscious. I'm good at driving. I can ask myself, what should I be thinking about? What should I be doing later on when I'm done driving to become a money magnet? And I think that's the question for the people out there, is what can they think about to be a money magnet?
I agree. You can either say the affirmations, or you can either think of well, who am I trying to kid? I've been trying to be a money magnet for years or whatever, and you're going along, you're driving along, and you say, well, that's BS because the money is, I'm not attracting money, or maybe it comes in such small amounts it doesn't matter.
Sure.
So yes, to change your thoughts by asking this question, which will challenge the subby.
Hmm. And that is that is Bob Proctor's paradigm shift, is altering what the subconscious mind believes. Is that right?
That's what I think. Yes, it is.
And so you have the conscious mind, which the conscious mind is going to continue asking the question, what do I think about to become a money magnet? Then will re-influence the subconscious mind, like, okay, and start to reprogram the subconscious mind. I better do something that is in alignment with becoming a money magnet.
That's right.
And
Alignment.
then
Yeah,
going down into the little circle then is the body, and that is where the body actually does like
does take action.
you type out on your finger, you make a phone call, you search the internet, do your research, you sharpen your axe to start cutting down that tree.
I think that's great.
I
Yes, yes.
think that, yeah, I
And
mean,
one thing that's helped me from my personal experience is that I've been listening to the Happiness Code, and it helps me to get aligned, to get aligned with the vibrational alignment. It has helped as far as to make this paradigm shift that Bob Proctor talks about. So it's the Happiness Code that has helped.
so maybe some good audios like the Happiness Code, and we'll put a link in the description. But listening to some good meditation audios that are on a certain frequency to allow your subconscious to work more efficiently or differently, listening to that while asking yourself, what should I be thinking about to become a money magnet? That would be a great
Idea.
activity.
That would be a great activity. That would be a great idea. That's what
That
you
would be
need.
a money making activity, would it?
That's right. I think it would.
Okay. Do we have anything else to add here?
No, let's let them go, and let's let them ask the question to themselves that they can make it unique to themselves.
So what are we going to have on our next video, Stan? So they can go and click on the card and get to the next video. Left shoulder. Left shoulder for the card. The right shoulder is for the end screen.
All right. Hey, look at. I think next we might need to do a couple more videos to really get to the. I think we have the answer, but maybe do it a little bit different so people would understand that they need to interrupt their negative thinking and to ask themselves, what do they really want to bring about? Because if they're thinking negative thoughts, you're going to bring about negative things. So it's all connected with negative thinking or negative thoughts, and then trying to ask the question to make the paradigm shift.
Fantastic. All right. I hope that this video has made you guys well. We will have another video again that will help maybe design, if the money magnet thing is not for you, maybe it's health, maybe it's relationships. If that's the case, leave us a comment below telling us what you would really love to manifest, and then we can come up with a video that would be specific for your question, and hopefully that will help you in your paradigm shift that's more specific to what you would like to achieve and your desires. How does that sound, Stan?
Sounds good. Let's say goodbye. Here is another video we think you will find valuable. Highly recommend you watch it. Go there now to help manifest what you want.